When you start with the Snell's Law lab, or the lab of index of refraction, you're going to be using either a plexiglass square or a glass square to start. And you're going to position it on a sheet of paper with lines on the side nearest you and the side farthest from you. Pin A is close to you, pin B is away from you. If you're looking at it from a side view, you see pin A is close to you. There's a line along the edge of the glass, and pin B is on the opposite side of the glass. Notice there's a frosted edge and a clear edge for your glass. You want to be looking through the clear edge of the glass, otherwise you won't be able to see anything. You also want to get down so your eye level is with the glass, so you're looking through the glass, not above the glass. If you look here, you can see pin A near you on the left, and pin B is hard to see but is on the right side of the glass where this arrow is pointing. You want to eventually rotate this glass plate to get these pins lined up. This is starting the rotation. Pin A is close to you. Pin B is the middle one and is on the back side of the glass plate. Pin C is the far one, and eventually you want to have all three of these pins lined up while you look through the glass, not above but through, looking at the bottom of the pins. Now we have it rotated even more. Pin A again is closest to you. Pin B is almost directly behind pin A. That's what we want. Eventually we want pin C directly behind pin B, which is directly behind pin A. If we rotated this just a hair more counterclockwise, we would have all three pins lined up as we look through the glass. If you look above the glass, you'll see the pins are nowhere aligned with each other, or so they seem, but when we look through the glass, the bottom of each of the pins will be one behind the other. That's what we want. For the glass, you're going to be keeping pin A in position and moving pin B successively to the left, so you create multiple lines for refraction, so you can measure multiple angles of incidence and angles of refraction for your first square. For your second material, you'll do basically the same thing, but you will use a liquid bottle or you will use a crystal.